Global market overview. The report analyzes the welding machinery market by machinery type and mode of operation. It further analyzes the market based on end-use industry. Geographical analysis of the market spans over the Americas, Europe, Aussies, Middle East, and Africa. The report features key market players such as ESAB, Lincoln Electric, Fronius, Panasonic Industry, IPG Photonics, TRUMPF, Cloos, Daihen, Obara, Kemppi, and others. Global market analysis of welding machinery. Product segment analysis of welding machinery market. Regional analysis of welding machinery market.